and welcome to Let's Take a Look. Today, we will be taking a look at the question, how do bats use sound to locate their prey? Bats use echolocation and a process called active listening to locate their prey, which are typically insects. This can be particularly helpful in clustered environments where sound can bounce off the trees and leaves, making it difficult to locate prey if you're just using your eyes. In active listening, bats adjust their vocal cries, emitting sounds of varying pitch, length, and repetition rate. They can then determine details about their environment from the returning echo and sounds that in turn lure out their prey. Bats produce ultrasonic vocal alerts and use the facts contained inside the returning echoes to decide the path and distance of their prey in the area. Here is a little insight on how. An echo with a sliding pitch shows a shifting item. Intensity flickers imply a fluttering wing, and time delays among cry and echo suggest distance. Once the bat's prey has been identified, the bat emits cries of growing frequency and reducing periods to pinpoint the prey's region. And finally, the bat emits what is known as the very last buzz before capturing its prey. That's how bats can find their food in total darkness and clustered environments. If you have a question you would like to know about, ask in the comments down below. Thank you for watching Let's Take a Look, and see you in the next video.